So IREN is up and data center markets are green this morning, potentially gearing up for the next cycle. If you waited for confirmation on IREN, IREN, you might have missed it. We saw the whole market moving this morning, and it looks like institutions were starting to accumulate. Potentially, we see some more investors show up here into 2026. We were here early this morning, Monday, seeing some green in the data center market. Portfolios up about 6%. If you want to trade every day live with us at market open, StockMate pricing is increasing at the end of January as we price forward into 2026. So if you want lifetime access, it's going to be the second link below. Go claim your free t-shirt if you want to grab access. So IREN is up to $47 a share yesterday, or this morning actually, and then selling back down. You could see into this $45 range. The nearest support levels on IREN, you're actually seeing that they've continued to rally and get up into these levels, breaking out of previous resistance at around $45 a share, and now looking to use $45 a share as a support level. So IREN stock was just at $5 a share in May of 2025, and we see them start to surge up into this, $80 by November, and then they've pulled back now, but their market cap is just continuing to roar. Now, the company has been building data centers very quickly. They've got a $9.7 billion deal with Microsoft. So that was a very large data center deal they recently secured. That's an AI cloud contract. You can see here when we go directly to the source, there it is. And that validates that IREN they have this ability to build these hyperscaler AI factories, these data centers on schedule so that big tech is investing in them. Okay. So they're forecasted about $3.4 billion in annual revenue. That's annual revenue, meaning ARR, by late 2026. So that's already getting them up to a massive leap from 2025, where they made about $500 million. And the amount of new data centers that are going out is absolutely unprecedented. You can see they're building up here in Canada. They have some in Texas as well. And while there were some delays over there in Texas, we did see some growth regardless, as they've seen revenues increase. Some of their delivery partners include NVIDIA, Supermicro Computer, and Dell Technology. But here's the thing. The strong liquidity that we see, they got about $1.8 billion in cash on their balance sheet. Let's see here. That's not them. That was a different stock we were looking at that went bankrupt earlier, that we were shorting. So that didn't look good. But when you look at the balance sheet here on IREN, $4.2 billion in total assets. Again, $1.8 billion in cash. They've got their assets there. Equities up to $2.8 billion. So essentially, they're funded by a $1 billion zero coupon convertible note, which does provide them with a pristine balance sheet here. And their revenues increasing to $240 million in the last quarter with a positive net income. What does that mean? Well, where they're at right now with their current PE ratio fairly low, around 26, not super low, but towards kind of that value perspective of saying, hey, long-term value might be looking good here. Their market cap's at 13 billion. So roughly, looking at their current prices, I think it would be reasonable to, if they're going to meet this 3.5 billion this year in revenue, that their market cap's going to be around 15 to 20 billion dollars. Most price targets, you could look at all the hype articles, put them around $70 a share, even as much as $150 a share. But let's just take a look at the chart. So currently, the $70 price point's not too far off. We were looking for this move. It was a 25% move. We did see that over the last few market trading days. Congratulations to everyone that caught that. But when we're looking at the potential recovery up into the previous highs, you're looking up into that $70, $75 range we just kind of went over. Those are some of the targets, even on the conservative side, which would be about a 50% increase from here, which is quite the return. Now, we do start to see that RSI and MACD recover. RSI starting to get into the neutral territory, and the MACD starting to cross over, as well as they just kind of shot up above this EMA, which a lot of times they're going to hold above that blue line, the EMA, when they're bullish. So we see them surge above these levels. Their next target in that $70 range, $80 range looks good. And that's why we have them covered here. So 9% today. The AI projections. Let's take a look. I like to use Prophecy app. This is an app that I personally designed, and it's exactly what I would want in the markets that doesn't exist. And our team of investors and also developers develop this for you. So if you ever want to go grab the Prophecy app, you could use Grok, OpenAI, Claude, Gemini. But let's see what these AI models have to say about Applied Digital, or not Applied Digital, IREN stock. And let's see what's going on here. So they're saying that nearest support level here, according to Grok, is at 46.50. All right, so they're right at 46.60, 46.70 right now. So that near-term support level that they're watching is this level right here, actually, this 46.50, the nearest support level that they just kind of identify. This is actually on the micro. If you go down to kind of like the 1 minute, you could see the level that Grok is talking about here. This is the level right here, about 46.50. This support level, that's kind of where they're bouncing at the moment. You kind of see that level. So they're trying to hold above that. In fact, you could see they're right at that moving average, that green line, which they're going to hold above if they're fairly bullish. With, look at that liquidity sweep right there on pre-market hours. That's why you want to sometimes not give away your stops or something, right? Look at that. Wow, boom, down to 43 and back up there. But as you can see, $47 down to 46.75 right now. The Prophecy app is saying that 46.50 support, you're going to watch there. Into the next day, we're looking bullish and pretty green here. A little bit of a red maybe over the next hour, but into the next week looking bullish, anticipating some serious bullishness up into that, like we said, close to that $70 range this year for IREN. That's just according to Grok. Now, when we look at other models, we could look at, Gemini, for example, might give us a good look. And then also one other thing, actually, what would be probably helpful is to see the insider trading real quick. And the insider trading is, I think, kind of favorable for them right now. You can see they've got some big buys coming in from Fidelity. You got Hood River Capital, Citadel has been buying. Look at that, slightly more sellers, 244 sellers than 227 buyers. On the insider perspective, let's take a look. See, the CEO recently bought some shares into the summer, and then into the fall, we did see a few sells here. For the most part, more buys than sells on the insider, so indicating some bullish momentum there on the near term. According to Gemini Ultra, it's looking like 8% gain over the next month. This near term, possibly holding above $45, but looking bullish into the next year. Look at that, 72% or $72 price target. That's a 55% increase. That's what we were just talking about. That's what Gemini is anticipating here. So again, this is what we'll be watching. There's a lot of moves on the way there. We might even see some increased volatility, some pullbacks like we were just looking at with Gemini. There might be some big sharp pullbacks to anticipate, potentially maybe even down to that $44 range. So you want to have caution, but at the same time, as long as you have a plan in the short term, where you're getting in. Like this morning when we were trading, we were in TSSI, for example. That's a stock we've been trading, waiting for it to get back above $8. It's currently at $7.88. We have a clear support level or clear stop loss and a clear take profit, representing the upside that's going to be much greater than that of the downside. So if you're going to go aggressive on the short term, that's going to be key. Have that plan. But the long term, for the most part, you're looking at IREN, one of the top data center companies to be considering over the next year. And if you ever want to tune in, see our daily live trading, we did have multiple trades over 100% this year. And that's going to be in the second link in the description. You get the free t-shirt when you join if you'd like to. And also, you get the daily live trading every morning, Monday through Friday. And there's a huge sale just for January until the price goes up. So if you'd like to go grab it, now's the chance. Simply take a look at the second link below. If I earned your thumbs up, hit the like button. Do consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.